At WESTconsin Credit Union, we recognize we are sometimes only a piece of the puzzle when it comes to our members' financial life. It isn't uncommon that our members have accounts or loans from other financials. With that in mind, we are excited that it is now easier to pay your WESTconsin loan using funds from an account at another financial. If you'd like to pay your WESTconsin loan with funds from another financial, get started at westconsincu.org. Then log into your online banking account using your username and password. There is a little bit of a setup process to pay your WESTconsin loan from another financial, but once you're done, you're set for good. Get started by hovering your mouse over Move Money. Then, under Pay My WESTconsin Loan, click on From Non-WESTconsin Account. This message is to inform you of the information you will need to set up this payment, including the other financial's routing and account numbers. Once you have gathered that information, choose Click Here. Now you simply enter the account information of the non-WESTconsin funding account. This includes the type of account, checking or savings, the routing number, and the account number. You will be asked to enter the account number twice for confirmation. Then click Continue. At this point, you will specify the accounts being used in this transaction. The Pay From account will be held with another institution, and the Pay Loan options provided will be any loans you hold with WESTconsin. You should indicate the amount you would like the payment processed for and on which date. If you would like this to be a recurring payment, click Repeat. If you click Repeat, a second box will populate with information on the recurring payment. This will include which date each month the payment should be made and for how long this payment will be scheduled for. Once you click Save, you will return to the main screen where you should mark the I agree to the terms and conditions box and then click Continue. At this time, you should review the payment details. If you'd like, you can choose to receive a reminder email when the payment is sent, and to do so, click here. If you see anything you would like to change about the payment, click Edit Payment. If everything looks accurate, choose Make Payment. You will then see a detailed final confirmation of the payment. Close the confirmation window, and you will be shown any scheduled WESTconsin loan payments from a non-WESTconsin account. Here are a few reminders regarding the timeline of this type of payment. Generally, this type of payment may take a day or two longer to process than one coming from a WESTconsin account to pay a WESTconsin loan. Payments made to WESTconsin loans using this service take 1 business day to process from the initiation date. Payments must be submitted prior to the cutoff time, which is 3 p.m., to be processed or started and applied to the loan the next business day. If the payment is submitted after the cutoff time, the earliest initiation date the member can select will be the next business day, so the loan payment will be applied in 2 business days. For example, if a payment is submitted at 4 p.m. on a Monday, the payment will not be processed or started until Tuesday and will not be received by WESTconsin until Wednesday. Payments are not processed on weekends or holidays as this service runs with the Federal Reserve. There are some limitations to the payments that can be applied to WESTconsin loans. If you would like to make a partial or principal-only payment on your loan, setting up a payment from another financial through WESTconsin Online is not your best choice for processing the payment. Better options for a partial or principal-only payment would be to pay using funds from a WESTconsin account, call or visit an office, mail a check, or use EFT or debit card cash advance over the phone. If you would like to pay extra on a loan, you are able to pay 2 times the minimum amount due, or $5,000, whichever is less. If you are trying to pay off your loan and are unable to do so because of the limit requirements, you can consider contacting WESTconsin over the phone, mail in a check, or send funds from the other financial via EFT or a wire transfer into your WESTconsin savings or checking account and then transferring the funds to the loan. Some important items to note with this service. First, WESTconsin credit cards are not able to be paid using this service. Next, if you want to make partial or principal-only payments to the loan, you should choose a different payment method. Due to system limitations, if you use this service to pay your WESTconsin loan or loans, you will need to pay at least the minimum amount due. Also, to avoid any late payments, please remember loan payments made from another financial may take 1 to 3 business days to process and post the payment to your loan. If you need to make a payment sooner than this, please contact WESTconsin during regular business hours. If you are a WESTconsin mobile app user, you can set up a payment from another financial for a WESTconsin loan easily from your device. Start by tapping More at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then choose Pay Loan from Non-WESTconsin Account. From there, the steps are nearly identical to those already shown for WESTconsin Online. Set up your payment from another financial at your convenience. We hope this payment option provides you with some flexibility in your financial planning. Thank you for choosing WESTconsin Credit Union.